We are open and available to fix all your car needs. All you have to do is to schedule an appointment with us. Let's give your car the power it requires. You're having a Lexus 460 in for setup. This baby engine lost its power, and we don't know what is the cause. We just have to bring out the engine. As you can see, it's a teamwork repair. I and my dad at the local automotive. Then we have to start the tear down by first disengaging each connector attached to the ignition coil, another sensor with other solenoid. Okay. At this point, we've disengaged so many things, and I think we are getting to the peak. We working on. And our belief is once we drop the engine and we do the tear down, we'll be able to rectify the cause why this baby lost its power. At this point, we've done the drop off. As you can see, we just dropped the engine. Like it's an heavy engine. It's a V8 engine, mind you. So you had to do the sump opening and the bottom tray opening. Then we found out that at this point, me engineers understand what we're doing, like things that can cause engine knock in your car. In most cases, is the detonation knock, and that's too low octane, bad timing, worn bearings, and at time, if your oil pump fails also. So you just have to bring the crankshaft out. Then I think the price is high, so we'll be turning the crankshaft from standard to 0.10. So that's just the formula. At this point, the crankshaft is out. So we gave it to the branch of engineering that deals with crankshaft in terms of turning and in terms of cutting. So at this point, they've been able to cut this crankshaft from its standard points to 0.10 points. That's from standard to 010. The ME understand what I'm saying better. That's the mechanical engineers. So I think I have to outline the definition of crankshaft. Okay, it's a mechanical component used in a piston engine to convert the reciprocating motion into a rotational motion. And if you need more info about that, kindly DM and make more explanation on that. What we do next is installation of the main bearings and installation of the connecting rod bearings. Also, let me tell you the definition of main bearings and what it does in an engine. Okay, its work is to hold the crankshaft in place and allow it to rotate within the engine block. So we installed the main bearings. And after the installation of the main bearings, then we installed the connecting rod bearing also. Then we did a form of lubrication. We do the lubrication because we have to lubricate it before installing the crankshaft. So it's normal. We are getting there, so we install the crankshaft to its normal state. Then we have to do the coupling. You have to tighten so after we're done with that, then we now come to we are getting to the end point, so which is the timing. So though I never use any timing tool, I just follow the normal protocol, the firing order, the way it should be. And I think after the timing aspect, then we do the valve cover seal up with the sump and the oil tank. So we just have to seal up everything with screw or the bolts that are attached to them. Then we do the engine bay arrangements, then installation of engine follows immediately. So at this point, you can see we are getting to our end point. So at this time, we just have to put the engine back to its bay, then do the necessity, yes, do the coupling, do the arrangement, the attachment of the alternator, the starter, converter board. And after a while, you're like, let's give it a start. Let's see what we've done so far. I think we've worked out our magic again on this engine. The engine came up and gave us what we needed. At these automotive concepts, we're proud of ourselves on offering top-notch auto repair services, whether you're in need of engine repair. Our technician have what it is to get the job done right. So it's a vehicle at the brink of malfunction. It's malfunctioned already. You don't need to worry yourself. All you just have to do is to schedule an appointment with us on 081-051-40079. Instagram, at Easy Automotive.
Mechanical, engineer, auto, anything, contact them, idiot.